Back once again, it's your man, Boss Gang V.I.P, leader at Alphapack Trading, here with another weekly watch list. Let's get to it. I know why you're here. First up, going into the last week, we expected it to be bullish overall. It was definitely very, very choppy. We had the Fed meeting for 2 days, which we expected. But as we've seen before, at the end of the week, we got a very, very bullish run. A lot of people made a lot of money very, very quickly off the move that SPY made to the upside. This week, there are a lot of things going on, but I got some good news going forward and some plays that I think you're going to want to take a look at. So starting off, November has been the start of the best 6-month period for the Dow and the S&P, as well as the best 8-month period for the NASDAQ overall. This week, as we should all know, we have elections on Tuesday. We have Veterans Day on Friday, which is the 11th. The bond market will be closed. We are expected to be somewhat bearish during the middle of the week. So we'll just see how that plays out. If you're like me, you like to get info on the market. So I wanted to see what kind of information I could find about the way the stock market performs going into these midterm elections, so I could actually give some of my thoughts. So 17 of the last 19 midterms, the stock market has outperformed the previous 6 months following the midterm. So it is definitely lining up with the bullish sentiment and the fundamentals that typically happen with NASDAQ and SPY. Also, if there's a change of leadership, meaning the numbers change from Democratic to Republican in a lot of these votes, there's typically going to be an infusion of money into the stock market, which is beautiful. Just because when people take office, they typically want to make some change quickly. And also, people just seem to like change. It doesn't matter whether it's Republican to Democrat or Democrat to Republican. People are just never going to be happy. For many of you guys, you might know I'm a music producer, and we have this thought process in the music industry where you can have an artist and he can be successful for a really, really long time. People don't actually get tired of the music, they get tired of the artist. So they encourage artists to just pass that music on to a new artist and to keep the money flowing, right? So a lot of times it's not a matter of necessarily people getting tired of the music. They just want a new artist, right? So if we get that heading into the next 6 months, that'll be awesome for the market, whatever side you're on. So I also like to compare it to kind of like when a coach in a sporting team might fire the coach, and then the players just come out and seem to play better. So we'll see what happens there. So I know why you guys are here. Got some good information. About to get to the things I'm looking at for this week and some good opportunities for some shares as well. So the first thing I'm going to be looking at is CLF, Cleveland Clip. I got my level set above 1358 and 1318 if you're a little bit riskier. We're going to be looking at ET Energy Transfer as well. Got my level set above $7.06. I'm also going to be looking at SO this week. Got my level set at $66.64. Foot Locker going into the holiday. I'm going to be looking at Foot Locker above $32.69. Something I talk about in the past is about owning shares a lot. And so something that will give you some exposure to the semiconductor industry, UMC. United Micro Semiconductors. I'm big on these foreign markets. I got UMC above $6.33. UMC pays an 8% dividend. You can take a chance possibly selling some puts on these, exercising once they're in the money. But this is definitely a way to create some income for yourself on the dividends. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you're following us. If you got any questions for me, make sure you put them below. Share this with your friends as well. Have your level set. Make sure you have a plan for entries and exits. Make sure that any trade that you take fits your risk profile. With that being said, enjoy the rest of your day. Boss Gang VIP, Alphapack Trading. I'm out. Peace.